In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your referral link on Binance Mobile in 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or simply need a refresher, this quick guide will help you easily navigate through the process. So let's get started by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're already logged in. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the More option. This is typically found at the bottom of the app's interface among the main menu icons. By tapping on More, you'll get access to a wide range of additional features offered by Binance, beyond what's immediately visible on the main page. After tapping More, the next step is to find and tap the Referral option. This might be located under account-related options, or in a section highlighting promotions and offers. Once you tap on Referral, you'll be directed to a screen specifically designed for managing and sharing your referral information. Here you will see your unique referral link as well as your referral code. If you're wondering why this is important, remember that sharing these details with others allows you to earn referral bonuses whenever they sign up with Binance using your link or code. This is a great incentive for both you and your friends, so it's definitely worth exploring. Now, you have a couple of options. Either tap on Copy to copy the link to your device's clipboard, or you can choose the Share option. The share feature can come in handy if you want to send your referral details directly through various apps and platforms. When you select share, you'll typically see a list of your installed apps like WhatsApp, email, or messaging services that are compatible with sharing links. Choose your preferred app based on where your friends are most active, whether it's a direct message in a chat app or a more formal invitation through an email. Now you can simply paste the link or code, maybe add a friendly note explaining the benefits of joining Binance, and send it off to your friends or colleagues. Encouraging them to join through your link can help build your referral bonuses while providing them with an opportunity to explore a platform that's popular for its comprehensive crypto trading features. And that's it, you've successfully obtained and shared your Binance referral link using the mobile app. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to share your link with more friends, or if you get them asking how to do it themselves. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy trading.